Arena. My name is Liz Luna. I was born and raised in sunny Arizona that just turned purple. I am the daughter of immigrants. I'm the first one to go to college in my family and the only one to this day that can vote. I have dedicated the last few years since going to college to really get involved, get engaged, and give the best of my community. I have participated and worked on issues such as education, women reproductive rights, and lately elections. I have strived to make sure that we have good candidates that participate and get out the vote and that our communities are truly represented. I want to be a part of the Arena Academy because I feel like I have a lot more to offer, and as the electorate changes, because I know from personal example that my brother in 2020 will be able to vote, he will be the second voter in my family, the electorate is going to change. We no longer are going to be the same voters living in the same situations. Different voters are seeing different issues that are affecting them, and I want to make sure that I fine-tune my skills so that I can participate in this next election, and that I can keep pushing to keep the gains that we have won across the country and also gain some more. I truly believe that we can give the best of our communities in this election, but we need to work really hard. So please consider me to participate in the Arena Academy in the coming year. Thank you.